This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by John Deal. Charming 2-bedroom 2-bath 1-car garage home on corner lot. Spacious floor plan with updated kitchen, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances replaced 2023. Roof replaced 2021, new AC 2021, new garage door 2021. Accordion Storm shutters on all windows. This home is waiting for your personal touches and in need of some updates. Home sold as is. This is a 55-plus community in the heart of WPB, close to City Place, Florida Turnpike, and I-95. For more information, review the details below.